Hi guys, Mr. Gersha here. So over the past few days we've been just doing our introduction to earth science, the prologue if you will. So now we're going to get into density. So when we think of the density of a material, it's really the relationship between the mass, which is the amount of matter in something, and the volume, which is the amount of space that the object takes up. So the relationship between those two is what gives you your density. Basically, it's how much stuff is packed into a single area. So if we see here in this first circle, all right, we have a certain amount of, let's just say, atoms, okay, in a given space. So they seem to have a lot of room. So we would say that the density here, the space in between each atom, isn't very tight. So therefore, the density would be rather low. Now, if we add more material to the same amount of space. We haven't changed the space at all, but we're adding more material. We're increasing the density because we're putting more matter or mass within a volume. And if we further pack them in, you can see that the space in between each one gets less and less, so we're increasing the density. So if we look at the basic formula for density, okay, density is equal to mass over volume. So in this example here, what I'd like you to try is we have here a given object, okay? This has a distinct shape, okay, this rectangular cube, and we have the dimensions. So using these dimensions, our height, okay, our length and our width, we can calculate the volume of this object. So we find the volume of the object using length times width times height. All right, and that gives us 36 cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters because we have 1, 2, 3 dimensions, cubic centimeters. Now, if I give you the mass, which was 100 grams, we simply do 100 grams over 36 cubic centimeters, and that would give us the density. Notice the units for density in this case. The units for density is given as grams per centimeter cubed. So that's one way we can express a unit in density, all right, is using grams per centimeter cubed.